Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from metroguiderealty. And before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom, ultra-modern house and lot for sale located here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this home, which rests on a lot of 280 square meters and has a floor area of 360 square meters across 3 levels. Now let's go. The first thing you notice here is you don't have the traditional layout for the ground floor. You have a very spacious open carport area that can easily fit 5 to 6 vehicles. And here you can really appreciate the size of the parking space. And as we move on over here, you see that we even have a first bathroom which serves as a powder room for guests. From here, you have a rock garden area leading to the back of the house. And you see that the house has a really unique design with textured tiling all around the side. And from here, let's take a look at your first room. Now welcome to your beautiful home. So this is the first time for me to say that in a house that's completely covered with glass. So it's very unique in terms of the feel of the place. It really feels like a very corporate, cutting-edge feel. So this is excellent as a home office space as well, and it's great for having guests around. And you see that you even have an additional access door over here, leading out to the parking area. And on this side, you see that you have access to an inner room. So this room is just about to be completed. So this can really serve as the first bedroom of the house. And you can really make this an additional den space as well. You have a walk-in closet space over here and a bath area with a shower enclosure already included. And if you take a look, you have access here towards an additional patio space at the back of the house. So this area is more hidden away from the front. And this is an excellent al fresco outdoor space as well. And if you take a look over here, you have tiling all the way to the back of the house. And now let's head on in. You see that it even has a patio area here, which you can potentially close off in the future if you'd like to use this as an additional guest area. From here, you have an auxiliary staircase leading to the second level. And here we have the centerpiece of this house, which is this 20-foot high light well, which gives ventilation and lighting from the second level all the way here to the ground level. And you see that you even have these I-beams, which allow you to have a floating staircase effect leading to the second floor. Let's go. From this perspective, you can really appreciate the uniqueness of the design and how modern the whole layout is. So as I walk on up, you see that you have these windows stretching all the way to the second level. And as you come on up here, you see that you're welcomed by an open dining and kitchen space. You have a large granite countertop here in the middle of the room. It's perfect for family gatherings and as an informal dining space. You already have a space here for pantry storage, and this is where you can have your refrigerator. And on this side, you see that you have space here for a dining table, and half of the room is covered by floor-to-ceiling glass windows, which give you so much light. And on top of that, you can open these up towards a spacious patio and balcony space. So you see that it's large enough to accommodate even a couple of tables, and it has a nice angle such that you can't be clearly seen from the street from here, which gives you greater privacy. And you also have the auxiliary access here from the ground floor. And once again, you see that you have the tile design across the facade of the house. Coming in here, you see that you have the first bedroom. The first room, the first thing that you notice here is that you have a very high ceiling, much higher than most houses. This is at least 10 feet high, and this gives the room so much more space, so much more air, and you even have a lot of windows surrounding the whole space. So in terms of privacy, it's very easy to cover these up with curtains, but in terms of the open feeling of being in this room, it's really very unique, mixed with the ceiling height. And it also comes with its own bathroom. So the bathroom has a very industrial motif in terms of the colors of the tiles. Which blends well with the design of the rest of the house. And now, let's take a look at the next room. You can consider this the third room, since the first room is the one that we took a look at downstairs. And once again, you see the high ceiling. This room already has a provision for split-type air conditioning, but the room almost feels double in size because of the ceiling height. And there's so much you can do if you'd like to install cove lighting in the future. That's also possible because of the design of the ceiling. And it also comes with its own bathroom. You have an additional bathroom, which can serve as a powder room, but it also has a full bath area. So you can even maximize this as a bathroom for guests. And here you have the fourth bedroom, which can serve as your master bedroom. So what's really unique about this is you really feel like you're in such an open space because of the floor-to-ceiling windows covering literally half of the room. So the ceiling height isn't as high as the two other rooms before, but it really makes up for it in terms of the feeling of openness because of the glass windows. You already have a provision here for your air conditioning, and on this side, you also have your own bathroom. So if you're really thinking about the rooms that we've taken a look at, there isn't a single room which really stands out as the master bedroom because the bathrooms are all very similar. So it's up to you how you want to configure your living arrangements, whether which room fits you best in terms of the position in the house. But it's also a great house for siblings who want to live with each other in a very unique and dynamic house. This is an excellent option. And from here, it's time to take a look at one of the most unique features of the house, which is the third level deck. Which has a very unique access point. Your third level viewing deck is an excellent spot for hanging out in the late afternoons or evenings because in terms of privacy, there's very little visibility here from the street. And it's so breezy here and you have a fantastic view even until the Alabang area from here. So there's so many possibilities in terms of how you can maximize the space. You can potentially close this off in the future and just make this an additional bedroom area or an additional workspace here in the third level. And just keep the windows open and feel that great breeze. For the property features, it has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 5 to 6 vehicle carport area, a living area, a patio area, a service area, a third level deck, CCTV, and a high ceiling for the bedrooms. And all this with a unique and refreshing layout and also very near the village amenities. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also click that like button and that subscribe button so that you can be notified of our future videos. You can also follow us and message us on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.